Escape to your own piece of paradise at Aztec RV Resort, the most luxurious RV destination in the picturesque Florida region. Set amidst lush tropical landscapes designed for maximum privacy, this gated community offers an unparalleled living experience. Enjoy a host of services and activities designed to make your stay unforgettable, all starting with low condo fees of just $719 quarterly. The property boasts an array of luxurious features, including oversized brick pavers, a spacious patio, a gazebo, a 10x14 NERS concrete shed, and a deluxe outdoor kitchen, all complemented by a comprehensive landscaping package. Aztec RV Resort ensures residents live the full Florida experience with an impressive lineup of on-site activities, including shuffleboard courts, horseshoe pits, a putting green, daily events, 2 tennis courts, a pickleball court, volleyball court, and petanque courts. Dive into the resort lifestyle with 2 heated pools, 2 spas, a state-of-the-art fitness center, Wi-Fi availability, a library, and a clubhouse featuring a tiki hut. Services include full hookups, 50 and 30 amps on site, a laundry room, reception, and nightly, weekly, or seasonal rentals. Designed exclusively for Class A motor coach owners, Aztec RV Resort offers a unique experience, allowing you to live under the stars and among the trees of Florida. Embrace the freedom of RV living with family-friendly activities on site, while also benefiting from easy access to Pompano Beach. Discover the unparalleled surroundings of Aztec RV Resort in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, a haven that not only offers on-site activities, but also provides access to diverse experiences in a secure and serene environment. Explore the Everglades at Everglades Holiday Park, indulge in shopping on Las Olas Boulevard, and find solace at Hugh Taylor. Birch State Park. Boating enthusiasts will love Lauderdale Marina, while fishing headquarters offers thrilling sea adventures. Sports enthusiasts can catch games featuring the Florida Panthers, Miami Dolphins, Miami Heat, and Miami Marlins. Enjoy heavenly beaches like Fort Lauderdale, Deerfield Beach, Lauderdale by the Sea, Hillsborough Beach, and Pompano Beach. For fashionistas, Fort Lauderdale boasts malls like Sawgrass Mills, the Galleria, and Lakewood Shopping Center. Whether seeking outdoor adventures, sports excitement, or a day of shopping, Fort Lauderdale has it all, making it an ideal vacation spot or heavenly permanent residence. If you're interested in getting more information on these properties, call Pwayko Skybank 954-881-4448